If you're looking for an easy and creative way to explore, expand, and basically be creative with your ideas, then I recommend you trying out Google's Mixboard. You can find it on Google's Lab. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use that or how you can get started with Mixboard. So you want to simply open up your browser and type in Mixboard, right? You will see from the search result Mixboard from the Google Labs, and you head over to the official website here where you can get started with Mixboard. So as you can see here, I'm on Mixboard official web page, and to use this, just simply click get started. And yeah, it's going to use your current Google account that you have. So if you have a Google account, thumbs up, you already have most of the work done there to register. And yeah, you're going to be signed right into Google Mixboard. So from here, just simply go ahead and click on new project on the left hand side. Project is going to take you right into where you can create a new project. On the upper left hand side, you can name your project. So I'm going to just call this test, for example, and here we can even explore some of those ideas that they have. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just explore, let's say, plan for a party. I can click on that and I can click on next, and it's going to just kind of use the prompt and analyze all of those things. If you have your own ideas, you can just get started by just use the AI to do whatever you want, generate whatever you want, add whatever you want, add your images and all those good stuff. Or if you're just getting started and just want to learn how to use it, you can try one of those, let's say, ideas and just start playing around with the Mixboard. And so if you're just getting started, you can just choose one of those ready-made, let's say, designs that they have, projects that they have, and you can start playing around with it. Use the AI to generate whatever it is there, and it's really cool. So this is a Mixboard, right? You can basically use the AI to generate whatever, to create whatever, and how you work with this is basically if you want to add something or you want to remove something, you can click on it. So for example, if I would like to click on this image right here, I can use the power of AI to do something with it, right? So I can do whatever. Look at the example. For example, you can put a pillow on the sofa or whatever it is. That's really cool. So just basically giving you a general idea how you can use Mixboard. So yeah, guys, so here you click on it and you have the option to remove, you have the option to, let's say, download the image, to basically to duplicate it, to move to get more like this particular image, or just simple to use the power of AI to regenerate or to add something with the image or whatever. Once you select the image, it's going to add it to this, let's say, image section here, and then you can use the power of AI to do whatever. You can even use the plus on the left hand side to upload your image, or even use your camera. You have the move tool, you have the text tool, and all those good stuff here, right? It's super easy. So basically with Mixboard is that you can combine multiple images, use the power of AI to design and to see a whole new view of different things that you can do here. So yeah, that's how you get started with Mixboard, and I hope you find this useful, guys. If you would like to learn more about how you can use the power of AI to use Mixboard, then let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to make more videos just like this one to show you how to use Mixboard. So as a quick test, I'm going to just say change the color to purple, for example, and hit enter, right? And you will see that it start to generate, and yeah, the AI is going to basically regenerate this, and let's wait for it to do. And so you can get a typical example of how you can use Mixboard to create whatever it is that you want. So here you can see that it's going to generate the new image right here, and you can move it, you can remove it, you can move it to wherever, whichever location you want once it is generated. And here you can see, guys, the same image as generated, and they've put it in purple for me. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.